Season 6 Episode 12. Tamir Brown's second clone time travel/grounded.
Man, I don't know what Titanic looked like in 2021. That gives me an idea. I can time travel to 2021. Let's go to the time machine. Let's go. Oh look, I can see the time machine. Hello, and welcome to the time machine. Where do you want to time travel? I would like to time travel to August 17th, 2021. Okay, stand on that time machine. Okay, I'm gonna press that button in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! I'm time traveling to 2021. Whoa! I'm in 2021. Let's go outside. No. Why do I keep getting a floating head? But anyway, let's go outside. Wow! Everything looks different. Wow! There's Titanic's house.
Man, what a nice day.
I know, son. Tomorrow we are going to Orlando, Florida to go to Universal Studios Orlando.
And now I'm gonna time travel where Titanic goes to Universal Studios.
Uh-oh.
What the?
Who are you?
I'm Tamir Brown's second clone. I'm from the future.
Tamir Brown's second clone. How dare you time travel? You know very well you're not supposed to time travel to years. That's it. You are grounded for 5 days. Now go back to your own time.
Well, I have to go back to 5 years later. Well, I'm back in my own time. Welcome back.
Tamir Brown's clone. 5 years ago, I saw you time travel. You were grounded for 5 days.
Wow.
Thanks for watching.